Kaya nga, Mr. Chair, gusto kong itanong sana dito kay Senator Trillanes if he is working for the ICC. Are you working for the ICC, Mr. Chair?
Hindi po,
You are not,
hindi po, Mr. Chairman.
but you are connected with the ICC.
Opo, by virtue of being the first to,
So, Mr.
to fight.
Chair.
Yes.
This man who used to be a part of the armed forces that should be a patriot in this country has been conniving with the ICC in this country. Now we would like to have a balance here. Hindi po yung unfair tayo o bias tayo. Balance lang tayo dito.
Ayun, ano ba sa Tagalog yung conniving?
Nakikipagsabuatan.
Sa buwatan o tsapahan.
Eh tama, kasi